Welcome back, you guys, to another video. For the video, is it here? Yep, it's still here. Today's video, we're gonna be just walking around the thing, maybe showcasing all my cars again. I'll show you probably inside the limo. Yeah, you guys excited? Shout out to Trace for subscribing and making. He did hard work subscribing. So shout out to him for all that hard work, making a channel and subscribing. And shout out to Magma Ocelot, subscribe to Magma Ocelot. He just subscribed today. And subscribe to Dolphin XY, subscribe to Dolphin's channel. Yeah, so let's get it. Okay, first I'm just gonna get dressed into new pants. Right now I'm kind of in my pajamas. Can't really see them, I go in the light. Not really my pajamas, but they are. So, see you guys soon, I guess. That's better. Got some new shorts. Right there. Good job, boys. Can you guys even see me? I feel like you can't even see me. Okay, well, let's go. Oh, he's not in there. Thought he was. Okay, that is okay. It's already been 2 minutes for some reason. 2 minutes 11 seconds. So here's the pickup with all the fishing gear. I'll show you the interiors of both cars. Oh, the limo is not a car. Here's the back seat of the pickup. Pretty good. The door, good quality. And the inside, finally. Ooh. It's hard to get this open because I'm right near the garden. Right there. I keep stepping on. Right in his garden. Here's the interior. Got some good brakes down there. Oh, I'll show you one of the coolest things about this. So, not the brakes. Watch this. I just push this back and see this line? It's not a line, it's a cup holder. Like that on 3, 2, 1. Sick, yay. Gangsta. And in the middle, you can't wind your window up from this side. And the door, like regular cars, that one's a special one. So if you're on that side, you can wind it up from here instead of over there in a regular car. This is pretty good. Good steering. Yeah, you can go back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, show you the other car actually. Okay. Oh, sorry for that close up. Passenger seats over here, it's pretty sick. Now, the beautiful wing. Okay, I'll just get a good look. I'll just get a good view for you guys. And this is actually my limo, mostly mine. Because everyone says it's my limo. It's mostly mine, but it's sort of my grandfather's. He's the one who bought it, but it's kind of mostly his, but it's, oh my gosh, I didn't even explain it. Well, here it is, the limo, maybe 5 foot tall, something, yeah, right here. I've actually never seen this brand, seriously. Can I tell you something special, a fact about this limo? Limo facts with Curtis Watts. This limo actually, was an olden days limo from the olden days, sent from Australia. So yeah, our limo is actually really rare, pretty rare. Our limo right here is so rare. Yeah, it's so rare. Not really rare. Ooh, and I just touched spider webs. Ooh, with bird poo in them. Oh, there's a spider right there. You can see the interior from the inside there. Ooh, almost fell off. I'm gonna try to open it from the other side because it has lit spider webs. Oh, you ruined my life, spider. I was trying to open that. There's less spider webs over here, for Pete's sake. So here's the interior. Yeah, pretty cool. I'll try to open it. There it is a bit. Oh, you can see the spider webs mostly. Just trying to close it. Wait a minute. Will this work? No, it doesn't work. Too dark. My uncle here, no. Thought he was swimming. Okay. It opens a bit on this side. Whew. Aha! Here's the inside, you guys. Got a nice TV over there. I'll try to put you guys in. Nice over there. Here's the interior of the limo on the back side. It's pretty good. And there's a TV. Oh gosh, don't know if you got. I just squished the spider with my bare hands. Don't know if you guys can see it. There's a TV right there. Right there. Right there. There's a TV. I tried putting my PS2 in it, but it didn't really work. Oh, I really want to go in. Should I try to open it? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Ooh. Actually kind of got it open. Okay, sorry you guys for that. I just need to put the light on. Oh my... He subscribed. I'm just gonna put my light on. Oh wait, it's not on here? Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the thing.